Such a prude. Yeah, because I was raised in a good family, guys. I have morals. I haven't been corrupted yet. And besides, I keep hearing that I won't get a husband if I get too ratchet online. Isn't that true? That I won't get a husband if I'm like all ratchet? Yeah, I'm trying to get a husband. You're saying I can get a husband if I'm like fully doing that kind of stuff? Try it. Let's see. Plenty of ratchets got husbands. Mm. Someone will wife you. um, First of all, Jonesy, I feel like I would go viral if I was doing some of the things that I wanted to do. I would definitely get viral. And at that point, I would just have to stay in the world. I would stay in the game.